Hi, today I'm going to tell you a short story. About 6 months ago, I went to the most memorable, amazing, stunning, and the most special trip of my life. This trip was special because it was not organized by any school, college, or any university, but it was organized by my friends. In the beginning, I asked my friends, "Where are we going?" And then they told me we are going to Jahaz Banda. Then I said, "What? Jahaz Banda?" Initially I thought it is a place where maybe an aeroplane is parked. And when I googled it, it came out to be a very beautiful place. So I get excited. On the day of the trip, we took bus from Lahore to Apardir, which is the nearest big city to Jahaz Banda. It almost took 10 hours to reach Apardir. After reaching Apardir, we took rest and took tea. After that, we hired the van and headed towards the Jahaz Banda. On the way, driver told us that the chicken at Jahaz Banda cost almost 1000 rupees per kg. So we bought our own live chicken from the city. After 2 hours, we reached the base camp of Jahaz Banda, where we have to start the hiking towards the Jahaz Banda because there was no road beyond this point. After only 15 minutes of hiking, me and my friend got tired, but we continued. After 2 hours of hiking, we reached Tiki Top, which is the halfway of Jahaz Banda. At Tiki Top, we rested and ate some food.
इस जुल्फों के फंदे न डालो, हमें जिंदा रहने दो ए हुस्न वालो.
And after refreshing, we continued our hiking towards Jahaz Banda. The main part of the hiking was beautiful sceneries and waterfalls. And after almost 3 hours, we reached Jahaz Banda. When I reached there, I became static in seeing the beauty of this place. This place was lush green and surrounded by gigantic mountains. This place became more beautiful because we had to hike for almost 5 hours to reach this place. The best part of this place was there were less people. That made this place more peaceful and enjoyable. Initially we rented a tent, but due to the cold weather, we rented a room. There were no luxurious rooms, no hot water, and less electricity, but it was fun. There were no charging ports for your mobile. If you want to charge your mobile, you have to pay 100 rupees extra for this or bring your own power bank. Most importantly, there were no internet or mobile network except Telenor. Bonfire was also arranged at a hotel and we enjoyed it a lot. In the end, I want to say that to reach Jahaz Banda you have to hike a lot, but that makes this place more beautiful because after so much hard work to reach this place became more beautiful. And I want to say that if you have power and courage to do so much hiking to reach this place, please visit this place and love Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.